A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. I could take a trip to Canada again, guys. Yeah, I could take a trip to Canada. We're not the US today, we're the Canada. Big up the Canadian crew. Like and comment. You know, sir, from I'm doing this channel, guys, it come like the rare set of stories them we get out of Canada when it come on to relationship. I don't know why. Oh my God. We present a story the last time was Lamar's story, guys. Yeah, remember if you support the GoFundMe for him. And I have another story now. I have another story where similar like Lamar one, and this time person named alias named Brownman. Same thing. Went pan farm work and now I'm in a one position where in a nice, but I just want to listen to a conversation and give a take on it and make me know what I think about this situation. Because I not lie, like I want to know if this is a pattern or if this is a way if ladies, this is a tool ladies use as a weapon to frame, especially Jamaican man when they come a foreign. Boy, I don't know. All right, guys. Now talk too much. I could drive and listen. How long do you reach Canada?
Yeah. Basically, almost call it 2 years.
2 years. All right. So how you reach Canada? From farm work, visa, etc. How you reach?
Come up on the work program.
All right. So you come up on the work program and talk to me now from the work program. What transfer from this?
Well, complete my time on the work program. Come in at the city.
Mm-hmm.
Then at the city and I work with one of close family friends.
Mm-hmm.
And they are now link up back with a little client. So I know for a few years from back home, but we weren't in a relationship. So he's like a close family friend towards her family.
Mm-hmm.
Used to even help out with our son when they are Jamaica, help raise him and so forth. So, come to Canada, me and her family to start link. Link wasn't about to even get in a relationship, but it happened that to end up in a relationship, to show her the stories, say, yo, what's know? But now I really come around to be no sex star, because I try to look for myself. So if I got to deal with somebody, it has to be a person who willingly and genuinely want me and want to do the best for me.
Mm-hmm.
She turned to me and she said, all right, she was sticking on the situation and she will help out.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we are not start with them for year and now. This year would have make 2 years with them, but actually they feel like a year and 3/4 and the 2 year and we married for over a year.
Mm-hmm.
Paper put in and so forth. Anyway, we have problems because relationships be a man and woman. Problems, it's not gonna be smooth.
So may I ask you something before the marriage and all of that, you never seen no signs or anything where tearing you off, you could have addressed it from early out, or she just
No.
Okay.
No, there wasn't no sign. The sign coming after her mom passed that she gets some money.
Oh, okay.
And at that time we was actually married like 2 months ago.
Uh-huh.
So our mom passed like say a month after we married.
Oh, okay.
And then very like within the other month, she gets my wife gets some insurance money. That is when the changes start coming. But they know support. Me I say we don't get tired up already. So it's like all right, that's the only way to
So here we
push
go
on.
now. I ask direct question because I want direct answer. When I say changes, like what just give me 1 or 2 of the changes what you see in a relationship.
She not the changes that be like she not really interested no more. That time she never have no money, but now she have money.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, all right, gotcha. This. All right. So you see the changes, and by that time, you know. So basically, now the whole marriage thing of a commitment and to get you straight in Canada, straightforward, so you can set up yourself and start work and be whatever husband to her, right? So
it wasn't about no paper. It wasn't about to get the food.
Right. So now that she said she get a piece of food, she said she can't bother like she had changed, like she wanna go ahead with this whole thing wanna started out. Okay, so what happened now after you see the change? Where you start say or where you start do or what she start do now or what?
Well, me not really say nothing. I just continue to watch it flow. Because there's still times where she start chipping and still show about the good side. But you have times when she move like a fast scale. But we still try to work it out. We don't make no problem nor nothing. We just stuff it out as a man and it's our area. The road now go smooth. You have to just continue. You continue the journey now. So forth. Anyways, this year now, before I reach this year, I start to realize that she step out of the marriage. From the same year when we married, which was last year.
Step out of the marriage, so meaning like she start date somebody else or she start what?
She cheat. She cheat with, yeah. So she cheat with her baby father, which is her daughter father. She cheat with her ex-man who was here before me.
Oh, wow. Right.
And she used to work with the ex-man because he was landscaping. So she used to work with him. But what happened is, the man stopped giving her work when she tell him that she have a permanent relationship now because she wasn't a permanent girl. She was just a girl who just get some work, have sex with, and that's it. So when she tell him that she have a man now, it's like, him not give her no work. She want to go back and do the landscaping in the summertime now with him. So it's like the only way if she get the work, she have to have sex with him. So she tell herself now, she start step out now and do things with the man. She had the things with her daughter father. I know all of them things there. Literally remember one of the time she asked me, do you think I'm cheating on you? And I was like, no. And even if you know you're cheating, like, that's not something what me I going to tell you. So she was like, but why do? Why you wouldn't tell me? I'm say because I have to think about the situation, how me I going to deal with it. And when we look on them things, I look on it away like, why your wife I going to just get up and ask her if you think that she had cheated? Obviously, she had something. And the signs was there already to me, but she was trying to pick my brain to see what I know. And I weren't giving her any attention about it. So what happened now? So fast that now, we still carry on, still be the good husband, you know, still I stand firm through the situation because I say, all right, I'm not going to make no problem because I don't want the paper stuff and, you know, so I just still be that person. Coming to this year now, all of a sudden, like, she loves casino and gambling and these things. And we said to herself, they used to gamble back home, but it's not a situation right now in foreign to follow gambling. It's a more work thing and try build. So she asked me about the casino and I said, no, I'm not going to no casino support. Anyway, that was just all a trick because she knows that I don't love the casino. So because she already have something up her sleeve wrap up, let out and try to bring me down because the same week when everything happened with me and her, which was the Sunday morning. But the Monday, the week before, me and her had an argument because me and her were supposed to visit the person who was doing the sponsorship for us. The morning when we were supposed to leave to go visit the consultant, she come here with her friends with weed and liquor. So I'm like, I was waiting for you and I see this. She was like, oh, but I said, no, if I come here with your friend, then for a party, just stay me, find my way and go. Find my way, I deal with my thing, come back. When I come back now, it's like she create an argument. So when she create the argument, I turn to her and I said to her, when the argument stop, the argument that she really create, it was about some stuff that I leave in the house. And she make her friend them come and use all the stuff and whatever. I'm turn to her and say, well, if you bring your friend them come, you have to accommodate them. Not with my things, but accommodate them or no other stuff. Because we cannot go to your friend and ask them for nothing. So if I have my thing is for my purpose. And that was when she started. And that was when she started. I was like, oh, what the consultant said, and I need to get over with it. And that's when she started acting up. And I was like, as he said, it's a process. And we have to just wait.
Mm-hmm.
Here she said, oh, I'm going to do something, argument on, oh, I'm going to do something that you will regret. So I said, the only thing I can do for me to regret is like, stop the papers. And she said, you think that's going to be hard? I'll do something greater than that.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, okay. But I wasn't thinking that something greater would be the situation that she actually get me in now.
Come on, guys, like the video. I only say 400 likes. Let's get this video to 2,000 likes and comment. We can continue listen. And Jamaican man, when you listen them story, can't happen to anybody. Wise up. We can listen.
So I turned to her and I said to her, she said to me that, you want me to pick you up from work and go to the casino? And I said, no. Normally she would put up a resistance like, why? I want to go out. I want to spend some time. And she never said nothing. So everything just played in her favor. Like, okay, I know he's going to deny the casino. So this should be the option and the right way to really succeed with the plan.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, I'm there at work till up to 2 o'clock. So one of my virgins said to me like, yo, remember mom's called her early and she'll go on and say, hey, and go, so I really want you there too late, I have a problem. So come and drop you.
Mm-hmm.
I turned chicken and said to him, say, I work me there, bro. And if me there work and she want to feel away because me no work casino with her, then that's her problem. I work me there.
Mm-hmm.
Man say, come in, man, we're at the shop now. You can come back tomorrow Sunday or maybe Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Say, all right, virgin drop me. And when I reach home, it was probably like 2:15 or 2:20 because it not take me like 15 minutes driving to reach home. Reach home, she wasn't here because her van wasn't here, so I know that she's not home. So anyway, I'm reaching now, enter the building, reach my door. I said, I have a call her. So I take out the phone for call her. They tap me that I not get for call her because I hear some shuffling in the house, some form of movement. So I say, she's not home. I push my key in the door, fly the door, turn on the lights, turn on my room. It's a 2-bedroom apartment and she has 2 kids, boy and a girl. So, you know, when man, you come in, the mother is not here, you hear movements in the house, you have to check the house, you am all right. So I reach in now, I turn on my room light, switch, stand up for them door, switch on the room light. Anyway, I not even stand up to the final time. I just see them there. I lock off like going in my room, change my clothes, go me and go my bed. That was like 2:30 when me I got my bed. But there, I was with. About 4:30 in the morning, my wife come home. She wake me up. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? So I was like, what happened? But she has this style, sometimes she play around, just like that. So I'm saying, I'm not tired to tell her when me asleep, don't wake me. She said, oh, I'm not playing around, what's going on? Like, my daughter said you touched her. So I said, what? She said, yes. Daughter said you touched her and I put on her bottom. And she's not even in the house right now. So I was like, so where is she? But at the time, we wake up, I still I think so she around Joe. Because I know when I come in, I saw the little girl and the little boy. So when she said she in the room now, I said, where really? I said, I'm going to go back on the door, switch on the light, and look. She said, look, so I said, where she is?
Hold on. Let me ask you something. When the time when you go in and you hear the shuffling, all right, so she went away and leave the kids them and them one?
Yeah.
So how old is these kids?
One is 14, the little girl is 14, the little boy is like 10.
You guys ever done that before? Like, them with a day woman on out and about, and then can monitor them?
Most of the time, she leave the kids them. Most of the time, it's me and them their home. 90% of the time, when we come from work, it's me and them alone in the house.
Okay. And from them, she met the threat and say it's not just paper. These are the next game card she drop on you. when it's happened. Okay, me get where you say now. Okay. So she come in her room and say, oh, what happened? You touch her daughter.
Yeah.
And you thought it was joke thing, because you know, so she always a run joke. So what happened after that now?
Yeah. So what happened after that now? I said to her, I said, where's the little girl? She said, oh, her sister come for the little girl. So me I said, then why your sister come for the little girl? Anyways, me and her there. Me I said, what really happened? Because they know you're deep in your sleep. Me I sleep for like over 2 hours. So if you sleep in for over 2 hours and somebody wake you up, it's like you're in a shock now. So me I said, what really going on? And she was there like, oh, you just need to leave. Like, you just need to leave. Then, like, probably a couple minutes after her sister pulled up with her daughter. And then them 3 of them start plan them thing now. And them I say what them I say, like, the sister said, oh, I finally get a chance to get rid of him because I didn't like him from a longer time. And my wife like, oh, you need to leave. Then them wake up the little boy now. Or them call the little boy to say, the sister was like, oh, tell them that you saw him touch me. And the little boy was like, no, I did not saw him touch you. I saw the light turn on. I woke up, I looked. I saw brown man at the door. And then brown man leave. And then the sister sent him back to your room, like, oh, go back to your room. We don't want to hear nothing from you. Someone was like, oh, so no plan on the thing, and just because the little boy now follow it, Unwa say, Unwa bill case against me. She said, oh, like, you need to leave. So I said, no problem, I'm going to leave. But I never pop no clothes and leave, nor nothing. I just leave, knowing, say, all right, the situation is going to resolve because I know say nothing like this happen. Anyways, when I leave, I call back the same bridge and I drop me off and him come back and pick me and so forth. I explain to him and so forth. And from then, I never been back to the house. She actually, me and I did have text over the phone days after and like, yo, I need some clothes because I want to leave the house, you know. Then she said, yeah, she have to leave the clothes. Then a few hours later, she go report at station and say, she's scared to meet me. This is the same person who threatened me the same morning, telling me to leave the house, and she would make her cousin who just come from prison kill me, and I should not tell my mom about the situation that happened, and I must not tell her grandmother, and I must not go to the station and report it. This is the same person going to a station and says she's scared of meeting me with my things.
Question, did she report the alleged allegation against her to any police station or nothing?
No, they did not report to the police. What they did, they sent the little girl to report it to school the next day.
Oh, wow. Okay. And what now?
So they didn't. And then, like, probably 2 weeks after the situation, I got a call from the CS workers, and they said that I should come in. I come in, they charged me and released me back.
In charge and release her back?
Yes, I said court date and all of these.
Oh. So while on there, you do any court date hearing? You went to any or you not come up yet?
No, the court date is not come up as it.
So which month when that I go up now? Like next 2 months, 3 months, what?
Next month, in a month time.
Next month. Oh, so then put a restraining order upon you if you not go back there so then, basically.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Then this
Jaja. Huh? No, man, I hear your story. But I say, wow. This girl orchestrate if everything we are say true as what you say, but I believe you still where you thought the story I don't see no patches in it, I don't see no reason why you'd go there, so that would make no sense. So it look like the driver, she drive out with the girl, maybe she tell his sister to go out with her and plan that and come back or something.
Yes.
That's how we get funny.
Yes. Why you leave? Alright. Remember, she doesn't work. My wife doesn't work. So if you at the casino, right? The casino that she said she were at, it would took her like 20 minutes to come home. And me reach home from after 2. So if the allegation But when you draw from me, from like, said, when me reach home, which is like 2:15 in the morning. That allegation was drawn from me from them time. You're supposed to reach home the latest 3 o'clock then. And you never come home till like 4:30 in the morning.
Oh.
The police station is 2 minutes away from where we live. Then the next day, she go and she cancel the paper. She withdraw herself from the sponsorship. Because all of what she do, wasn't about nothing else. It was about to cancel the sponsorship because she want to go back to her life before. But she doesn't know how to withdraw from the sponsorship because she don't have anything to really use to withdraw from it. So she have to come up with something. And this was the only thing she could come up with. So she used it now to withdraw from the sponsorship.
Yeah, but I want serious allegation she draw against you. Not take it lightly, you know?
No, we not take it light.
So then what on your passport?
Yeah.
I have a guy in Canada, he might go through a similar story like you right now. Film quote here in July. But I know if I watch my channel and see it on it.
Samantha interview with your channel.
Yeah, man, I share the story there with you when I done. Said position him in now.
Yeah.
Said position him in now. Boy, I want to talk about firing a man in a general, but I like most of the horrible stories that we get of mostly from Canadian woman. I not lie. She's our Jamaican or born Canadian? Oh.
She's a born Canadian but from Jamaican
parents.
native.
Yeah. Channel star. Yeah. Boy, come like go to foreign and try to get the papers nowadays is like one of the most riskiest thing, and I'm glad them thing I put out where other guys walk up on farm work and choose to run off and have a plan A from Jamaica and just go to Bamston and just randomly married somebody where you say you have an idea who she was, but as what you say when you married her, you start to see her side, her true colors and stuff. Another thing when we can get from the story, I mean, I bash her away, but me just tell you how me look on certain things. I think you play your card right with the girl, as in like you were too aggressive towards her. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It's like when you come in and you say our friend eat off something and you complain about it. Listen good enough. It's like when she says she want to go to casino. Even though you don't like casino, you just play along because you know where you want deep down. Because you say, if you decide, say, yo, me I go casino with her, you don't mash up our plan or no. She'd have to come back with a different plan and try something again. Because when you want papers from somebody, you know, you have to play a role where...
You see what really happened? Like, these things, I find time and go. No one then, but I can't break myself into it because my wife not financially supporting me. And then where I'm working, I'm not working any great money, so I have to, when the work come in, my work is kind of seasonal, so the season is kind of slow. So sometimes I have to stay late to get some work. And when we do stay late, I have to put in the work because that is the only way me I will get the income to help pay the bill, to help finance the grocery, and help pay the consultant who was doing the sponsorship because she's not doing it.
Understand that, but you know, so she gets some money from her mother. Now the money that she gamble and spend and go out with.
Yeah, but she not financially support me. That's what I'm telling you.
No man, you not get to me. I say when she go out, now her money she spend, for her money, you not have to spend the money. Would that be her money? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, when she go, she will spend her money.
Right. So I say you accompany her to spend for her money because she know the situation where you are going to deal with.
But when my bills come up, who are going to financially support it? When I leave my work to go with you. Okay. That's my point now.
Okay. So most of the time when she want to go, you have work to do and so then. Me get what you say then.
Yes.
For that I
Yes,
case.
I work
Okay.
when she has to for these things. I'm at work, so it's
So
like we cannot leave work.
I want big lump of money she get then. If she a gamble and a floss like that and all them shit.
Okay, like if she want to go party, I find the time and go. If I come home early enough, sometimes you know want to go to the casino, but you have 1 and 2 times I go with her. But as I say, I cannot leave my financial support that I am getting from our work to go with you who are not financially helping me, because if you were, trust me, like these things would have been a problem. And then you bring your friend them come and them take out the things, and then tomorrow you still a look for me for repossess for the things them that you bring your friend them to. So it's like it's a barrage of stress. I'ma tell you. It's not like me that complain, but it's not a thing when I complain about every time. I never yet complain about it. It's just the one time that when me I said to her, say, yo, like, me leave my things and you know me that come back for it. You can't just take my things and give your friend. Like, it's either you order something for them or you make them order something like, or you tell them straight up, say, yo, my husband thing that leave that alone.
Okay.
Because they're not cooking. The first thing is not cooking for me. Me have to cook every day. So if me have to go cook every day and
You
me have to come
live
in
with
and
her
left
before you
my
married
things.
her? You did live with her before you married her?
Yes, me and her did live before we get married.
So who used to do your cooking before you married?
Still me. She used to cook like 1 and 2 times, but it's mainly me that the cooking because they know they are Canadian and them love for them type of food. And me a Caribbean.
Okay. Okay. I get you, my boss. But yeah, that's not the main point of the story. Whether she go casino or you this or who am this. The main problem we have now, she accused of something where, do. You understand?
Yeah.
And these things, what's your plan going forward to deal with the situation right now? You get a lawyer to represent you, or what is the case? What you plan to do?
Well, it's the financial support to get a lawyer, which themselves use a paid lawyer better, but I don't have the financial strength for really pay a lawyer, so them give me a legal aid lawyer, which them call it duty counsel over here.
Okay.
So them give me some contacts to make. Anyway, somebody say, them I go try. Help me out.
Sorry, say that to you. You how much, G?
The year I'm at 20 years.
And the other guy at 26.
Gotcha.
May I tell you, brother, may I tell you. What I tell you, what I got now, worst case, so you're going in one situation, once your visa up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so when them done, when this a case of China, them I just send it back out of the country. So, that's our next thing. If you're found not guilty. But them thing I can stretch out to a long. Let me tell you what them do now, because I have the experience with it. One. Listen what them do. Them do the investigation. Yeah. So that is why they can't charge it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so them get a case against you to present a court to have that for challenge you.
Yeah.
So that's why they can't arrest you. Them just arrest you, take a finger. Then take a fingerprint, mugshot and everything, right?
Them not do it yet, but I'm supposed to do it sometime next week.
Next week. Why may I tell you to bombard, brother? I don't know. No, sir. I got advise the man them on my channel and the man them will come a foreign. Me or alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talk, you hear about you're not going to hear my back. Oh, go on, the alarm.
Well, me I try to tell the man them now, judging from these stories, stop take up woman with young pitney. That me see is a big red flag now. When things get sour, the quickest slide that then quick for tell pan one brother. That me find out a go on, because it reach Lamar, but more time when you in one position, it's true no want to no status and no want better, bro. Some things it first, and this is it when I tell persons by talking. You see, if sometimes you're going to a foreign country, bro, you see the first person who approach you about certain things, or the first person you see who willing to do certain things to you, don't just gravitate to it. try explore it. Maybe if you did explore more, maybe you would have find somebody with more real. You understand? I want the best for you. Because you sound like a man who want a family, who want build together, and would want have kids and them thing there with a woman and work your way. Genuineness I deal with.
Yeah.
You understand? And for some reason, other girl I end up with. Me a 43 now. Me not take up no woman with no 2 young pitney. Me I tell you that straight. I'm a big man. Me not take up no woman with 2 young pitney, brother. No time at all.
But life is just a learning process, man. And we have to just learn from the mistake and move forward.
Yeah, it's a learning process, I know. But this would have never reached if you're Jamaican, bro. At this, me I try to show you the difference with culture and country. That's the reason I try to show you. Know. If you did the Jamaica, this not reach you. A Jamaica, no man, not think quick figure do that pan you. I tell no lie pan yourself to be. You understand?
No.
Yeah, but them country they then take pitney and pet and woman to a different level, brother. So they know, say that's why you say the woman say she know what she going to do. And for somebody sit down and cook.
She even called my mother and my mother said she's going to bring me right down to the ground. Even when my mother called her and asked her about the situation, like what happened, it was like, oh, ask your son. So my mother like, he talked to me already. That's why I call you to hear your son's story. Oh, talk to your son, whatever he says. And she hang up, she blocked my mom, everything till like 2 weeks after now, she tried to call back my mom. Oh, I was in my feeling and I was emotional and whatever. So mother like, you're bringing down my son. You can't make your feeling, make you bring down someone's child. Oh, then if he doesn't want to do what I said because she even want oral sex and stuff like this, and she mentioned like, oh, she's better than me come to foreign and do these things to get papers, and I am one like I am better than anybody else to do it and whatever. So she has a lot of things.
So she tell her mother say she want oral sex and then something there?
No, she tell me. She explain the part to me.
Okay, me get to hear.
But she tell my mother, what she really tell my mother is she gonna bring me down to the ground.
Boy.
Yeah, that is what she said to my mom.
Boy, brother, I tell you now, your culture again, as I say. When you not look for married, most of them foreign women, brother. No, if you look for do it, some of the things them to please them, you know. We know on the red record, Jamaica different, but them country there, bro, the woman they want different thing. So yeah, if you can, whatever, you get a message about if that I know where you know alone yourself.
You can't do things. But all life is they can't do things because people want you to. In certain cases, certain things they have to do it because you choose to or you want to. Not because somebody has to.
And this is the thing again when I tell you as a younger man. When you know, that's why I hear me ask you. Some key question me ask you. If you have them discussion before you married and know say, yo, she want that, she love that, that's how she get down. We can't just get up.
All of these discussions have before. Like me and I talk about these things and explain to her and say, listen, this is who I am. And there are certain limits and boundaries that I have. And there are certain things was like, oh, make sure you never try to ask me to do it then because you said you're straight and you won't do it. And I said, definitely.
Yeah, fine, you know, right. You know you need no favors. Yeah. And that understandable. People. Yeah.
Since she get the money, that's when things start to change. Like, you know, that's when things start to change.
Right. Yeah, only thing I can say, guys, if we could say we work with what I say true, our woman for put up our daughter for tell a lie on the next man and know say it can ruin his life. Who does that? It's like you all hear Jamaican parent tell them family to tell like I don't know the consequence. But like most of these stories I'm here, especially this one, is like at that, like if another way they then just tell a lie upon you and just like that, you have to in a one bag of tangerang. No sir. Jamaican man. When you stop running these women, when you go work on the money, on the farm work, come back on the yard, renew on a passport or on a visa, whatever, want to renew, and go back again and try build a relationship with somebody who can visit you You know, so the good Canadian story me get with the man. Me not put no race tonight. I with a white lady. And you know what him say? She come out here, come visit him, and spend her 1 month. And then he go back over there and spend time. And then she come back out here. So then get time to know each other. You understand? That's how me get funny. But boy, you know, as when him say him young, and you're there foreign and you tell yourself, say, yo, you get the opportunity, so you want to try a thing. Nothing wrong for try, because some of people get them status in a foreign and do them thing. So you go here, my G. Brown man, go and roll it out. I wish you the best. And I hope everything work out in our favor. I want to update from your one. And also, Lamar one, away in July. So we know the process. They might do the investigation and then they mean, so I go on. But boy, oh boy, always Canada. I don't know why. Anyway, guys, pick up on yourself like this video. What is on the men knows, OUT out.